Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to stop your photos from automatically syncing and appearing on all devices signed within the same Apple ID. Let's get started. First, on your iPhone, open the Settings app and here scroll down and tap Photos. Here you'll see an option called iCloud, Photos or Sync this iPhone, depending on your iOS version. And here just simply toggle this off and this will stop your iPhone from downloading or uploading photos to iCloud, which means they won't sync to your iPad or other Apple devices. If you only want to stop sharing with specific devices, you can sign out of the iCloud photos just on that device while keeping it on for others. Additionally, if you don't want shared albums to appear, scroll down and turn off shared albums. Now your photos will stay only on your iPhone and won't automatically sync to your iPad or other devices with the same Apple ID. And that's it. That's how you can stop your photos from syncing across all Apple devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.